Hi everyone, Amito Mitra here from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. I hope you're all doing great. I know my face is so swollen. I feel it, I see it, but we will get better. I've been crying almost every day lately. A lot is going on, but God is faithful. So I want to do my usual face mask. It's been around 2 months since I did it, so I don't know if I have vinegar in the house, but let's see if I have. Oh god, I have very little remaining, but I think we're going to use that. Let me show you my face, guys. This is my real face. So I am done showering. I'm also done with making my mixture. It's here. Mix the facial and body healing clay mixed with vinegar. So let's apply this.
Sometimes I wish my daddy was here so I could get a little hold of what a daddy could give. I saw my dreams fade in the streams of the daddy running water has a sat on the streets. Sometimes I wish my dreams were real. I would have been a little different.
So this is what I'm having for breakfast or lunch today. I love avocado, and of course your girl is a tea girl, tea any day. So yep, as my face dries up, let's have this very sumptuous meal. Bon appetit. Hi, it's another beautiful day. It's been raining the whole morning. It's currently an afternoon. I've been in bed the whole time because it was too cold, so I just woke up like an hour ago and decided to shower and yeah, vlog for you guys. I know you guys miss me. It's really been long, so I just want to make something light for my breakfast stroke lunch, that is brunch, and then hopefully later in the evening I'll also prepare something for my dinner. Yesterday I didn't have a decent meal. Like the whole day I just had katogo, like the whole day. So today I really need something heavy. So let's make breakfast stroke lunch together and then see how the day goes. Okay,
The data running water has a sat on the streets. Sometimes I wish my dreams were real. I would have been a little different in viewing me. I saw my hopes fade in the streams of the data running water has a sat on the streets. He ain't up on me, even if you brought me roses. My grandmama told me every day I know it took a little longer. But truly appreciate.
so in my history of buying eggs, these are the biggest eggs I've ever bought. Actually, my brother guy picked them for me. He bought them for me, so I think I'll always be sending him. Look at this one, you guys. It's too big. I'm so happy. So breakfast is ready. I wanted a lot of onions, tomatoes, and pepper in my eggs, and I did it. So I have some bread here, and then I have some ndizi here. Ndizi is a Luganda name for the sweet small bananas. And obviously I'm a tea girl. Everyone knows it's a public secret. There we go. So let's have our brunch, breakfast stroke lunch. I am suffering with flu and cough. It's really taking a toll on me. I don't know. I think yesterday when I went out, last evening, a friend took me out for dinner. So I think that's where I got the cough from and the flu. I'm so not comfortable. I really don't know how I'm going to cut this. Looks complicated. I made some tea for my flu and cough, so let me be taking tea as that warms up. I'll be boiling this rice and then cook the sauce later. So I've pre-boiled my rice. I've added some cold water in it. as I wait to cook the rice better. I need to fry my sauce. Done with cutting my ingredients. Okay, let me fry now. This is the chicken, but I'm not going to cook it all. I think I'll only cook these ones that I've cut into pieces, and then I'll keep these for some other day. Food is ready, guys. You're welcome. You're most welcome. Hello everyone. I know you all miss me. I miss you too, like so much. I really want to be here creating content for you guys, but there's just so much that has been going on. Forgive me, but I am back. I'm not going anywhere. Again, I am going to be giving you back-to-back videos, and I hope you all will enjoy them. I want to do Vlogmas. May God help me to do Vlogmas for all of you guys. So excited for December, so excited for Christmas and everything. So lately I've been so much invested into the World Cup. I love soccer. So I've been watching the World Cup a lot. I totally forget that I'm supposed to actually vlog for you guys, and of course I had so many other things that I was doing. So, and then I was also not fine mentally and emotionally and physically and everythingly. But I feel much better and I'm ready to talk to you guys. I needed this break and I'm happy I had it. I also want to clean the house. It's all messed up. I'll be showing you guys. It's been a full month. Oh my god, I'm very lazy, you guys. It's been a full month since I took my carpet to the laundry guys to clean it, my carpet and some duvets and all that, and I've never picked them. Can you imagine? That is how much this girl has been stressed and going through so much. So I want to go and pick them as well and then make the house look fine. This company shocked me, you guys. I bought so many of these. I think I bought the whole packet. These are just a few, and then I decided to check all of them and count them. Now here they say they are supposed to be 35 sticks, right? Now some had 33, others had 30. There is one that had 29. I'm so disappointed. Krishna, if you guys know anyone working in Krishna, tell them I am so disappointed in them. Extremely disappointed. Imagine the scam. So the room looks really messed up, especially the sitting room. I need to put things together. This is how it has been for the past, I think, 3, I don't know, weeks. I don't know. Ever since I took my carpet for washing, I never picked it and I've been so lazy. Everything is just messed up. See how the dining looks like. I forgot to put these flowers in a vase, so they've died, unfortunately. Next time better. This is what I had for lunch. Very dirty girl. Imagine, I left this since yesterday. Glass of wine that I had, man. Okay, let me just organize this house and then get back to you guys later. Okay. So my baby sister is extremely kind. A few days ago was her birthday and a friend of hers gifted her these shoes. And guess what? She gave them to me. Imagine. Thank you so much, my sister Lillian. I love you so much and I'm really grateful for the shoes. I love them and today is the first day I'm going to wear them. So I'm currently in the market here to buy a few things for dinner. Yep. I want to buy some broccoli. I want to buy some mushroom. Funny enough, I saw a picture on what's his name, Dr. Kasenene, and I decided to reenact. I'll be showing you the picture somewhere here, and then I'm going to try to reenact what is in the picture and then put it into reality. I am back now. I have the 2 duvets, I have the carpet, and I want to put it where it belongs right about now. Let's do this.
It's all about you. You brought me this far from nowhere. I give you all the glory. You deserve much better, and I know this. They're running back to my roots in the fast lane, hoping you could hug me on the same day. Gracious, nice, no skate. They was looking at me saying that I'm so fake. Now we've been rolling many years under this rate. I feel your strong hand on me, my chest. I'm gonna press a little harder with no games, cause I know where I'm going at, no stress. Sometimes I wish you were sitting right beside me. I would definitely be the lean the shoulder when I'm crying. It's a little bit of me, it's what it takes, and I'ma leave the rest to God. He knows best. It really doesn't matter if my life is boring. In your eyes, that's the only view of His glory. Come and dwell in me, Holy Spirit, cause you made my eyes see clearly. He ain't upon me, ain't upon my closet, ain't upon my story, ain't upon my glory.
I'm going to use this multi furniture polish. It's what I use for all my furniture in the house. So I'm to clean the TV stand and then also clean the dining.
No skate. They was looking at me saying that I'm so fake. Now we've been rolling many years under this rate. I feel your strong hand on me, my chest. I'm gonna press a little harder with no games, cause I know where I'm going at, no stress. Sometimes I wish you were sitting right beside me. I would definitely be the lean the shoulder when I'm crying. It's a little bit of me, it's what it takes, and I'ma leave the rest to God. He knows best. It really doesn't matter if my life is boring in your eyes.
So I am done cleaning the house, as you can see. Now let's concentrate on cooking the food. Yes, and reenact what we want to reenact today. So that's it. These shoes always sit here because my wardrobe is full. I am thinking of giving some of them out. I removed the, what do they call them, the carpets. I removed the carpets and washed them. I'm thinking of giving some of them to you guys, if you don't mind wearing shoes that I've worn before. Yep, I'm thinking about that. I'll get all my shoes and maybe I'll give opportunity to you guys to choose what you want. Maybe I want to like surprise 2 people. Yeah, from the bottom of my heart, this is the best I can give you. I don't have much, but I can just share the little that I have. Yeah, my shoes are beautiful. You guys will love them. So I'll look through some of you who have been extremely supportive, and I'll choose 2 people who wear my size. So if you wear size 40, kindly let me know so that I consider you. Okay, yeah, these are just some of them. I have others that I'll show you when I am going to give them out. So these are the things I bought. I bought some mushrooms. These were at 3,000 Ugandan shillings. Total is 6,000. I bought tomatoes at 2,000 total. I bought these carrots at 1,000 total. I bought broccoli at 6,000. I bought this each at 1,000. This is avocado or avocado, depending on which country you're from. And these onions, I bought them at 2,000, all of them together. This is 1,000 each. And then this is green pepper. Both of them are at 1,000 Ugandan shillings. And then lastly, I bought this plantain. The whole of it is at 5,000 Ugandan shillings. I'm going to post a picture somewhere of what Dr. Kasenene posted today, and I was like, okay, let me just reenact this and have this for dinner. So guys, let's get going. So I'm already boiling the plantain. It's just going to be boiled.
I know this. Now you got a testimony, and I say it's binding you. So let the world know what the Lord is doing in you. You were up there, it's every day, we know that it's true. But if you get into the efforts, man, it's not what you did. There's a good God working in a good you. Jeremiah 29:11, that is so true. It's not what you did, what you do now, or what you would. But there's a good God creator, He made me believe. Head upon me, head upon my closet, head upon my story.